The purpose of this demonstration is to show the user how to import bore attribute data, such as discrete water strikes, into the system and how to link this data into an existing bore layer with collar data. This demonstration will focus on using the attribute editor to link a new attributes file containing water strike attributes as a depth table to a bore layer. The system expects to have a minimum number of fields in the file in order to import and display a depth attribute for a bore layer. This file should contain at least a depth and size field to be useful in the system. Be sure to close Excel before importing the data into Sci3D. Click on the existing bore layer to make it active. As you can see, the active layer is displayed on the bottom left of the screen. Right-click on the layer and select Attributes from the pop-up menu. This will display the Layer Attributes dialog form showing the existing attribute data for the bore layer. Click on the Import More Attributes button to display the Import Details form. Next, click on the Browse button to show the Open form. Select the relevant .csv file with the water strike attributes and click to open. Once the correct attribute file is chosen, it will fill the Import Details form with data. It is very important to select the correct field containing the unique bore name in the imported attribute key list. This is used to link the incoming attribute data to the existing unique bore names in the bore layer. It is then important to choose the correct type of attributes that will be imported from the different radio buttons. In this case, this is a depth bore. It is also important to choose the correct depth and size fields in the incoming attribute data. Click OK to import the attributes for the bore layer. The attributes for this layer can be seen at the bottom of the Layer Attributes form, where the attribute data has been linked to each individual unique bore name. Be sure to save your work as you go. To set the layer display properties for the new attribute data, open the Layer Properties form by double-clicking on the bore layer. In the Attribute Range Color tab, click the Enable checkbox and choose Bore Water Strikes from the Table drop-down menu. Then choose Yield from the Attribute drop-down menu. You can type in a range of values such as 0 to 5 and choose a color by double-clicking on the X in the color box. Set values according to your own user preference. You can also use the Random Colors button to generate random colors for the display. Click OK to show the new layer properties. As you can see, the yields are now displayed according to the user preferences set in the Layer Properties form. Save your project to make the changes permanent. Thank you for watching this demonstration.